Today we presented a workshop based around our idea of the word tree. And the word tree is a participatory artwork where people find hidden sculptural pieces. They're pieces that we've hidden around the exhibition area, and they collect these pieces and bring them to a central location and connect them onto a sculpture.
그걸 실전에서 행동으로 옮기신 분을 만나게 돼서 너무 감동을 받았고요. 또 어떤 길이 보이는 것 같아요. 아, 저렇게 하면은 나도 그런 교육을 현장에서 할 수 있겠구나라는 그런 어떤 기대도 생겼고요. 또 실질적으로 제가 활용할 수 있는 여러 가지 방법들도 배울 수 있는 것 같아서 굉장히 잘 왔구나.
Often these days I think teaching artists feel frightened about their lack of technical knowledge, and they can feel that their job is threatened and that it's difficult because some of their students might have more technical knowledge than them. But I think it's important to remember that teachers are experts in being able to organise children, if it's children that they're working with, or organise their students, and to organise them in such a way that they can realise their idea.
한국에서 이제 문화예술에 대한 그런 다양한 활동들이 좀 정형화된 부분들이 있고 좀 따라하는 그런 경향들이 있는데 실질적으로 외국에서 전문가들 초청해서 이렇게 교육에 참여할 때마다 느끼는 거는 현장에 대한 변화의 흐름들을 좀 빠르게 느낄 수 있다는 부분들이 되게 좋은 것 같아요.
뇌파를 이렇게 이미지화해서 나의 뇌파를 시각적으로 볼 수 있었다는 게 너무너무 신기하고 너무 좋은 경험이었고요. 그리고 그 뇌파 이미지가 제가 되게 좋아하는, 저도 이제 꿈으로 작업을 많이 하는데 그 꿈의 세계 같은 이미지를 보여줘서 앞으로 작업하는 데 도움이 많이 될 것 같습니다.
I was really impressed at how complex the questions were that the participants asked. They'd obviously been thinking deeply about how they can use art and technology in the classroom and in their practice, how they can improve and change. Some people came along with projects that were already reasonably well developed and they wanted them to be further developed. There were just so many standout points that they were asking about.
Yeah, it was great. It really felt like people in a short time really expanded their thoughts as to what could be done, and hopefully we helped them do this.